Hi friends! Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make these serpent snake earrings. They're filled with moss, and to accompany these, I also am making some dried flower earrings. Dried botanicals is one of my favorite things to work with, and yeah, hope you like it. I was so impressed with the mold from Mini Planet that I ordered another one that I thought was really cute and had free shipping, so I was just like, don't matter. Another cute little glitter baggie. And this time I got some snacks. I'm a sneaky little snake. I'm a sneaky little slithery snake. So for these snake earrings, I just am using some of this, I think it's called reindeer moss, and I love the color of it. It's like a yellow-green chartreuse color, and I think it would be really fun in these molds because it kind of resembles scales. And what I'm doing is I'm just ripping really small pieces apart from the rest of the moss and filling the mold that way. So now I'm just filling up the mold very slowly with a little dropper, and this is a great way to fill up small molds with precision. Now I'm just using a tool to press in some of the moss and trying not to get any of the edges to stand up out of the resin and create a sharp edge. Now I'm just preparing some dried flowers. I'm just using some tiny buds from some baby breath just to change it up a little inside the earrings. Now I'm going back over with some more resin just to fill out the mold. So for these earrings, I'm going to use some of the flowers I usually use. We have baby's breath, purple status, which I actually I grew these in my garden. And I can show you a little clip of what they look like in my, what I like to call a cottage corner garden. Some smartweed flowers, and these are actually a weed in my area and they just grow everywhere, and I think the flowers are really cute. And this is German white status. So I'm gonna go ahead and arrange them how I like. I usually start with these longer boys. I think for these top pieces, I'll just leave them clear. I think that'll be cool. time to demold my earrings. Usually what I would do is I would do these in 2 layers just to secure them down so they don't have any raised edges. As you can see, there are some raised edges, but I didn't really have time, so I think I'll just cut those little bumpy bits off, and that won't be very noticeable. So I'm going to demold. Oh, this one's pretty stuck. Always be careful not to rip your little nubbins off. Now this mold is getting a little cloudy because I've been using it so much, but I don't really notice equality in, I don't really see equality in the fogginess. It's still pretty clear, so that's really awesome. So usually what I do next is I just clean up the edges if they're a little bit rough. And if these holes didn't go through all the way, I'll just quickly drill. And you can find most of these supplies and this drill in the description below. Next, what I'm going to do is put in some findings. It's finally time to demold these as well. Ooh, that's so cool. Now the last step would be to use these custom-made cards that I made in Illustrator and cut out on my circuit, and you can find the circuit pattern, the SVG file, in the link below as well. And the last step would be to get these on there. Put little rubber stoppers on there so they don't fall out. And there you go.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit that bell notification and like and comment what you would put in your little snaky buddies. Anyway, stick around for a weird Easter egg after this, because I had to make this video longer than 10 minutes. Enjoy!
And this time, I got some snacks. I'm a sneaky little snack. I'm a sneaky little slithery. Some snacks. I'm a sneaky little snack. I'm a sneaky little slithery snack.